Uh, Good day, everyone. My name is JB. Um, Today, I want to talk about the Dex Learning Camera. Uh, at the beginning, when I tried to find information about this camera, the only information available was from the actual company. I couldn't find any reviews from people that actually bought it. So I took the risk, took off on a sale. I got it for 199, and I just went and bought it for my son. And I want to test it and do a review about it. So other people that are on the same boat that want to purchase it and try it for their kids, they can actually have a video and seeing it how it what it comes with and how it works. So let's go. So this camera came sealed, as you could see. Right now, opening the box. It's hard with one hand. Uh, and there it is. There's the camera. It's pretty nice. Material strong, sturdy. It feels like good quality. And here comes the charging cable in a like a leash. I forgot how to call it. So that way the kids can hang it on their neck, so that way it doesn't fall off. It's supposed to be from 3 year old and up. My son is 2, and he's still figuring out. So you can see it comes with this. Uh, well, that's a strap. My bad. Um, and it's very nice this strap because it comes like with a ball that adjusts, and you can just swap it out and change it without being too difficult. And here are the instructions. What it comes with. You'll see what I'm talking about with the ball. There it is. You can remove it and put it back in very quick. And it comes with an extra one too. Okay, moment of truth. It has the raise volume, lower the volume, camera on the front. The actual screen is touchscreen, and then we're turning it on. It takes a while. We got to update. Right now we're in the Bahamas, and it actually did pick some signal. Uh, I'm on a cruise while doing this review. Uh, when I was at sea, it wouldn't work unless I had some type of internet. But this camera comes with a LTE SIM card embedded on it. So if you're on land, at least for the in the United States, it will automatically connect to specific internet. Oh. Now it uploaded. No, it's still to find the test it.
Cool chair. Silla. This is my silla. It has 4 legs, but no feet. Can you say silla?
In this case, I said silla, and it actually worked.
We
It's
sit.
from English to
Sentar.
Spanish.
On a silla. 1, 2, 3, plop. Say sentar.
It's really nice. It gives you 3
There's a
options that you can
table.
use so
Mesa.
related to
Now
that
my silla has a
to what you
front.
took a picture of.
Perfect for drawing, snacks, or stories. Say it with me. Mesa. Yay, Luca. You did awesome with silla. So fun.
Yeah, right now you cannot hear my voice because I also when I did it. But you'll see it in a few that actually set it and see how it reacts.
Wow, that's a lot of water. In Spanish, water is called el agua. Can you say agua? The place with a lot of water is called sea or mar in Spanish. I love playing by the sea. Can you say mar? And when you go where the sea meets the land, that's the beach or la playa in Spanish. Let's build a sandcastle. Can you say playa?
Playa.
Great job, Luca. You're awesome at learning new words. Let's find more fun pictures to explore together.
Well, now as you can see, it's pretty simple. Just take a picture, it scans what it is, and it will give you three options to say some words on the language that you set it up, and then it will ask you to say the word. Once it says you say it, if you say it correctly, it will go green. Pretty simple. If you're gonna set up a language, you have to do it on the Dex app on the phone. It cannot be changed on the actual camera itself. I already tried. Um, but it's pretty simple. It's nice. I think it still needs to learn a little bit other things, but I'll put more videos on it on the future. This is my first video doing a review. So if you like it and it's helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll put more videos. If you want a specific video that you need, just go in the comments uh, and tell me what you need, and I'll make something so that way you can see it and show it to you. So thanks a lot for visiting my page. I know I'm new, but I'll get better as it goes. So thank you. This works great. See you then.